Most mobile apps get ignored or deleted fast. Brevo Wallet gives you a better path. Put loyalty cards, offers, tickets, and passes straight into Apple and Google Wallet. No app required. Start by creating your wallet pass in Brevo. Customize the design and build a pass that feels authentic to your customer experience. Then get it onto customers' phones with a simple QR scan, email, or in-store touchpoint. Once it's saved, your brand stays one tap away in the wallet they already use every day. Create wallet campaigns to send personalized push notifications directly to users' phones. Launch VIP drops, loyalty reminders, coupons, event updates, or whatever feels timely. You can also automate it all. Trigger messages when someone downloads a pass, changes loyalty tier, or enters a location near your store. That means smarter multi-channel engagement without adding more manual work. The impact is clear. Brevo Wallet delivers a 95% retention rate, up to 36x ROI, plus 77% higher purchasing frequency. Turn everyday mobile moments into loyalty, revenue, and repeat visits with Brevo Wallet.